Borithi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a nimoretie muingi kumateithĩrĩria na riboti yo yothe ĩngĩteithĩrĩria mihang'o-ini ya gwethana na principal wa thukuru wa Kiru uria uri mwena wa Mathioya.
Kama kuna yeyote ambaye ana habari kuhusiana na vile alivyokuwa na anaonekana siku zake ambazo alionekana pale kigeranio popote atuambie.
Kurerikana ati principal ucio onekanire ria muthia muthi wa kiumia riria umire gwake mucii mwena wa Kiambu erekeire thukuru, no thutha ucio ndari onekana ringi na nginyagia riu thimu yake ndiraingira.
Yake mara ya mwisho ilikuwa inaonyesha kwamba alikuwa maeneo ya Kireini na tunafikiria labda bado yuko sehemu hizo.
Arutwo oro hamwe na aciari nimereirwo ati undu ucio nduguthararia uthii wa na mbere wa kigeranio gia KCSE kiria kirathie na mbere.
Jukumu lake lilichukuliwa na mdogo wake na yule ni quality assurance officer wa sehemu ya Mathioya. Kwa hivyo hakujakuwa na athari yoyote kwa mtihani.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri murutwo mwarekira kigeranio thibitari-ini ya Outpan thutha wake kuheo mwana muthenya wa ira.
With me, I have a student in Form 4 who came and delivered here yesterday at 9:30 a.m. The baby is fine. The baby weighed 2.7 kgs. They are doing well, both of them.
Marigitari thibitari-ini yo maroiga ati muiretu ucio agukorwo agikira kigeranio thibitari-ini yo nginyagia riria akarekererio.
We have provided the venue for the examination and we are according her the time to do the exam as we take care of the baby.
Turio kaunti-ini ya Nyeri andu atatu ni makinyitio igoti-ini kuria mathitangirwo mahitia ma guthukia maratathi ma kigeranio gia bururi. Igoti ririrwo ati atatu acio maraturire marima meri iratathi-ini riria rirohanitie kigeranio gia chemistry mari na itanya ria gukinyira kigeranio kiu. Ni mareganire na thitango iyo na marekererio na bodi ya shiringi 800 o mundu kana bill ya besha farifari ya shiringi 300.
The matter will be heard on 19th of January before court number 1. We'll mention the matter on the 21st of this month, and each accused may be released on a bond of 800,000 shillings, the surety of like amount to appear.
Na muthia mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang auma mwena wa Kajiado. Kipsang ni acerire cukuru wa imwana wa Kitengela kuria mwe arutwo aria mareka kigeranio ni aria makanjirwo kigeranio kia mwaka muthiru.
We adequately consulted with Teacher Service Commission so that we can get a strong supervisor who will be able to take charge of this school given the challenges that we went through last year. And having gone through the classrooms and seen what they are doing, we are confident that all is well in this school.
Kipsang ni ahinyiriirie ati aria makunyitikana makiyira kigeranio kiu ni magutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiku.